Good afternoon, guys. Today is October 2nd. It's Keith Trades, and we're going to go over today's banger day. I went 3 for 3 personally, a 2 for 2 day on live, and we had some beautiful trades to go over. Testimonials for today were there's a good amount here. AM session wins 320, 335, 288, 25 points, $100. Hit that $202,000 mark, which is beautiful. Crazy game. PM win, good profits in the PM, all of them. Beautiful stuff. Coming to my pre-market plan, it hit pretty perfectly. As you can see, I said I told you so. All right, my long plan was very simple. I was looking for a sweep of sell side, either the pre-market low or just the 15. I was looking for my upside targets, which is the pre-market high, and the buy side in the 4 hour. My short trade, I wanted to see manipulation higher, and then the targets lower. And I was looking for a short at that 4 hour mark, which we ended up kind of getting. But plan very simple. 4 hour, right? My long target was that 4 hour reprice, which was just this high here to a price of the 4 hour, and this imbalance here. Targets lower were just pre-market low, a low from yesterday, and then previous day's low. The 1 hour, similar stuff. Again, I was looking for this pre-market sweep and then the reversal to the 4 hour. As we can see here, either sell side pre-market low sweep or the 15 respect. We got the pre-market low sweep. Targets were 20,011 pre-market high, and then 20,082 this level here, guys, for price of the 4 hour. 20,011, very simple. It is just this pre-market high. And coming into my personal trade, it was a nice quality setup. We drew back into the 15-minute fair value gap. Broke aggressively. Took my fair value gap short. And scaled here. And then here. That was that trade. Very simple. It's my A+ setup, guys. I saw the power of 3 coming into this session. Right, we have the accumulation. We have the upside manipulation of a buy-side sweep. And then we shifted structure. We drew back into my area of interest, the 15. Respected it with selling pressure, left behind a bearish entry short. Targets is just sell side, pre-market low, and then a low from Tuesday for the 2 targets. And then obviously previous day's low was my runner target, but never got hit. And then that's pretty much it for the trade I took. And then I was looking at the SMT reversal now, right back to that 4 hour target and that pre-market high target here. Keep in mind of this 6 o'clock Tuesday low of day, we made a higher low. We failed to sweep out that low. If we go to ES at that time point, we see what? 6 o'clock low Tuesday has been swept, and we filled the 1 hour imbalance here. So we have a lower low of a previous day's low sweep on ES. Coming on to NQ, we had a failed to sweep a higher low in SMT. I originally wanted the inverse set up here to run to the opening high. Unfortunately, we did not get that look. It just shot straight through. But I was still liking the longs after we respected this inverse and we formed this bearish. I like when I see the overall bullish model, the draws to the pre-market high, the draw to a price of the 4 hour, and then we attempted to sell off. We left that, and then we took the inverse long here. Price targets would be the internal high, and then full hit here. 27 to 60 something points. A very beautiful trade, and that is the first trade for the AM session that we took. And that was all we took. We wanted a 15-minute fair value gap trade, which ended up happening here to the 4 hour price. Unfortunately, we hopped off once we saw this chop, which is totally fine in my opinion. But yeah, this was my A+ continuation, but we ended up getting a short model, which is my A+ setup. Understanding that we ended up drawing into the 4 hour, never really found any buyers through, and then we ended up shifting structure aggressively here. Coming on the 15-minute, we have a 15-minute market structure shift. We have a 15-minute fair value gap. That is your play point. Classic entry model, guys. We took out these highs into the 15. Strong rejection. We end up inversing this bullish fair value gap. We got our short entry, and it dumped straight down to price target very quickly in a very efficient trade in my opinion. Got short, no drawdown smashes for around 20 points. So we took this 27 to 50 pointer, my fault, 27 to 60 points, and then we came on the PM, took the A plus short model down to that low. That is all she wrote today, a 2 for 2 day, and 6 for 6 this week. A very beautiful stuff, guys. A simple day, great price action in my opinion. We executed, and a great winning day. But that's going to be it for October 2nd's recap. Thank you guys for watching. Leave a like, leave a comment. I'll be sure to get back to you as soon as possible. And if you're interested in joining the Discord, free or paid, there is a link in the bio. Peace out.